Good morning, fellow bikers. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Samir. 5:10 in the morning. Slightly drizzling right now. The forecast doesn't say it's going to rain, but who believes the forecast? Anyways, so here we go. We are going to Horsley Hills today, which falls in Andhra Pradesh. Actually, it's in the same direction and nearly the same road that I had taken last week, right, as part of Puligundu Rike and beautiful trek that I did last week. So anyway, it's the same direction but with many more people. And that's again with bikers through Bangalore. It's going to be a day ride, so the idea is not to just have breakfast, visit the place and come back. I am sure the organizers of the ride have something in their mind. We'll figure it out as we reach there and hear from them, right? So it's going to be a fun ride as usual. Horsley Hills, it's one of the hills close to Bangalore, which falls in Andhra Pradesh. Few of the riders keep going there. I've seen some videos. Got some nice views, chilling ride. That's what I'm also looking forward to, right? So see you there. We are going to meet up on Old Madras Road on the Hoskote toll and then start off from there. But as usual, I'll be meeting up with few BTBINs in few minutes after I fill my fuel. Yeah, fuel being filled again now.
Okay, do I have your attention?
Yes.
Very good morning. Looks like everybody has rested well. I don't see much gloomy faces. Okay, people who are joining the ride for the first time, can you step forward?
How many new riders? One, two, three, four. New to the group. New to the group, of course. New to the group. Four of them. I'm not also a new rider. Come friend. Yeah.
Okay, about the ride, we'll be heading towards Horsley Hills. Onward, we'll be having a breakfast stop. I don't think another pit stop is required.
Before we go now. One stop.
And above the ride, we'll be following a close convoy format. So we'll be having a lead who will be in the front and nobody is allowed to overtake him. He will be setting the speed and
Last week I had passed this place in complete darkness. It's cloudy today, but this place is really coming up very well. Once I think the greenery also comes up, this place will look good. So good morning guys, again after the flag off. We have started off, of course, towards Horsley Hills. We will be stopping for breakfast and we have around 45 riders and couple of four-wheel vehicles with us. Looking forward to the day. Everybody is charged up and cool. Kamat Husaruchi. Cool. So having early breakfast, it's what, 7:15 in the morning, and we are already stopping for breakfast, which is fine. I am going to check out this place. I'm coming here for the first time. Hey dude, great friend of mine here. Woo. Nice place for a breakfast. I've never been here, and these are our impressive lineup of BTB bikes, and these are our guys who are spending time outside for extracurricular activities,
Welcome to my vlog. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
smoking is bad for health.
Subscribe to Cruising with Lens.
Yeah, you got it right.
Best channel on YouTube.
Thank you.
सब्सक्राइब करके जाइयो, देख रहे हो तो सब्सक्राइब करके जाना। बिना सब्सक्राइब किए नहीं जाना है।
Thank you. So this is what the lineup is looking like, and we have few vehicles also there. Cool. Kamat Abhiruchi? Oh, sorry, Hosaruchi. Yay! Hey, Abel, good morning. So look at the spread, boss.
Yeah.
Looking nice.
Correct.
Acha breakfast.
I will start.
Mahesh.
We got everything we want.
Hello, fellow bikers. Good morning.
People, they come from different countries.
This is Asha Rani.
I saw few foreigners.
Producing in
Oh,
earlier vlogs, right?
Yes, last time.
She's by the way into fashion designing, and very soon she will be starting her own label. So keep a watch. We will post her label very soon.
Sure.
Hey guys.
Hey!
Akhil, sorry. Akhil just came back from Ladakh.
Guided ka level.
He had been in
It was
this
awesome
better half.
experience. Yeah.
How was it?
It was awesome experience. Yeah.
Cool.
Thank you. So it just took me 4 days. End of the 4th day, next weekend I went for a 200-kilometer ride. Alone. I mean, there was a group, but nothing. It's just possible. It's just possible. You can do it. Anybody can do it. So go to hills. Very daring. Huh? Very daring. Is it? Yeah.
By the way, she has not come out of her birthday bash after effects. She's still not sleeping overnight.
I still have friends who I have to give birthday treat. And I still have people who have to call me home for dinner. ये बात कट हो जाएगा.
That's the point being put to me.
ये बात कट हो जाएगा.
नहीं डालूंगा मैं. So we are all posing for a group photo, and these are the two official photographers of the group. So good morning guys, we are leaving your breakfast. Now only issue is it was drizzling, so I have removed my microphone. So for some time, probably there is not going to be any audio. We just passed Kolar through urban Kolar, and yeah, big lake, freshwater lake, looks nice. And of course, with the monsoon in progress, it's looking good. It's filling up, which is a good sign. I don't know the name of this lake, but looks like one of the major water bodies of Kolar. Yeah, and the other side it's all agricultural plantations. Cool. My mobile is inside in my pocket, in my dry pocket, since it was drizzling earlier. So I'm not very sure how much of distance to cover, but looking at the trip A, which is showing 80 kilometers, another 60-70 kilometers I think still to go. As you can see, we are going at an easy pace. It's a day ride, it is not just a breakfast ride. So we will easy pace make it to Horsley Hills. Full green all the way. Wow. So marigold fields out there. All the yellows and orange. Nice. So guys, just had a fruit which I have never tasted in my life, surprisingly, and everybody out here knows about it. So you guys will tell me about this. What is this fruit called?
This is
ಗಸಗಸೆ ಹಣ್ಣು.
Gasa Hanno. It's a real nice fruit, boss. I mean, you
Do
suck
yum.
on the inside part of it and beautiful.
I will
It's a very
show you
unique
how to.
taste.
Some are without seeds.
Sorry?
Some are without seeds also.
Is it? Okay. I got all the seed wala. But the taste is really nice. Base galle.
ಗಸಗಸೆ ಹಣ್ಣು.
Gasa Hanno. Sorry for the pronunciation. So finally, view of the hills and some of the mountains close by. So where we had stopped, we had taken a small break, just a kilometer behind us. From there it's 23 kilometers more, so it's a matter of 30 minutes probably. We'll be reaching Horsley Hills. Cool. The landscape is so different compared to past few weeks that I have been seeing. It's very different. It's still pretty dry out here, I would say. Hills, mountains, and good roads just change your mood instantly, isn't it? It just puts you in that positive frame of mind. Not that it was negative earlier, but it's just that it's something like that eureka moment. Wow, that's how you would perceive it, right? So I'm assuming what you see there is the Horsley Hill. That's purely an assumption. I might be completely off on my assumption, but yeah, because that seems to be the tallest peak here in the vicinity in my line of sight. Wow, nice shade and canopy out here. I must say, but not to put down Horsley Hills, don't take me wrong, I'm just trying to compare the different hills in the vicinity of Bangalore that I have climbed on, right? This place has got a slightly different flavor to it compared to all the places that Hi monkey! Hi! So all the different places that I have climbed, and seems the feeling that I get here is it's like okay, it's normal. Okay, good outing to do definitely, and I've not reached the peak, so let me not be judgmental and sound judgmental. I'm purely making a comparison on what I'm seeing and what I've experienced past few weeks. It's nice, no doubt, but the other places that I have been to are shades better. For all you know, the view that I get from top might be far better from any other place that I've been to. Let's find that out. Gaining altitude slowly. It's a very decent gradient, not very steep at all. Even at the curves, it's not that steep at all. It's a normal gradient. Road is also decent. Not encountered any potholes or loose broken tarmac. It is not as smooth, but very decent. I mean, getting that confidence. Oh, nice shaded area. Giant eucalyptus trees, I should say. I've never seen that big eucalyptus trees before this. I mean, the girth of the trunk of that eucalyptus tree was quite wide. I've always seen lean and mean eucalyptus trees, but what I just passed, it was big. So they have been around here for a long time. See this? Wow, this is now a real beautiful place. Oh, unique, I should say, only to this place. So the fact that so many eucalyptus trees are growing here, that means there is enough water, because eucalyptus trees require a lot of water to grow. They don't grow in dry conditions that well at all. They are dried up here, by the way. They are not looking very healthy. I don't know, I'm not the tree doctor, but from what it looks like, right? Oh, there's some small lake out here, pond, I should say. But didn't look very full with water. Like I said, it seems to be a dry condition prevailing here. Wow. If you fly a drone, probably you will not even see this road here. Outgrowth, and with the cloudy conditions, that also makes it look very nice. We are still climbing, easy gradient, and the weather has become a bit shade cooler with the sun missing and we gaining altitude. Surely become cooler, windy, good signs. Oh, I think we are reaching the top of the hill, because I see some structures behind the tree line here. There was a tower which probably we had seen from when we were down there, when I was playing the guessing game. Forest guest house. So you have some cottages and kind of resorts also here. Oh, nice. some rope walkway at the top here. Adventure zone. Looks like we are reaching the top, and we need to park our bikes here. No, probably this is not the final place where we are going to. It's becoming quite cloudy. It's probably going to rain. Cool. Huh? There is zoo. Where is the viewpoint? We should go to a viewpoint. Then we'll find a place to park and go around. Okay, so we are trying to figure out what to do. So this seems to be the zoo out here, which probably we are not to that. Oh, the coolant is leaking from the Pulsar.